So in this video, you'll learn how to disconnect and unpair a Bluetooth device from your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to select Connections. Under Connections, look for Bluetooth and select it. And then the first step when it comes to disconnecting and unpairing a device is to tap on the settings icon next to the paired device, like that. Then you can view that device details. So from here, just tap on disconnect to disconnect your device from your phone, and then tap on unpair and confirm your choice to unpair your Bluetooth device. Once you've done that, you can see it no longer appears in the list of paired devices, which means that it's been done successfully. So now if you ever want to use that Bluetooth device on your Galaxy A56, you have to go through the whole process of reconnecting it again. And so that's how you can disconnect and unpair your Bluetooth device from your Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.